Hello again. We are in Omaha, Nebraska. Today we are going to the Omaha Zoo. Let's go. The world's largest indoor swamp at the Omaha Zoo. So strong.
Oh, flexible too. Did you see that? He just grabbed a branch that was above his shoulder using his foot. Oh, so easy. It's not even trying.
Wow. Effortless. I'm sorry, baby. Concludes the zoo. Gonna head back.
But yeah, hopefully the lighting's just gonna get better.
We went to the zoo yesterday, and now we are at the Gene Leahy Mall. But first, we're going to get some sushi.
Hello.
This is Joe. How long have you been in Omaha?
I got here in 2019, so 5 years now, 6 years now.
How do you like it?
It's very homey.
Homey?
It's cheap, it's homey. There's not a lot to do during the day, but at nighttime there's lots to do.
Nice.
It's kind of tasty, tasty food. What'd you say?
I was here a few years ago. The mall was under construction. I mean, it's still under construction, parts of it anyway, but it's just more developed now, and it's really, really pretty out here.
Really pretty.
So we're going to Tokyo Sushi for dinner. There you go.
It's gonna be good.
It's gonna be good.
We're almost in the old market part of Omaha now. It's one of the older parts of it. All the original kind of factory buildings.
back to the mall.
You don't have a handle.
Okay. Have you done this?
Oh yeah.
No, my momentum.
Don't lose a shoe.
Or dude, it'll be a funny story.
Carriage.
So this is like where they do like the ice skating in the winter.
After this, we're gonna get some dessert.
Yeah, definitely. Totally.
Whoa! You're like inches off the ground. We're at Culver's. Thanks, Culver's guy.
That's a lot.
Ooh. Cheese curds. Oh yeah. Well, this is the end of the night. Tomorrow is our last day here. Bye. It's the next day, and we're gonna look at some Omaha sites and then go to Inner Rail. Right now we're in traffic, and there's a cornfield. This is the historic Aksarben neighborhood. You'll see Aksarben in different places. It's Nebraska backwards. I just realized I pronounced Aksarben wrong. It's Aksarben. This is Benson. Got to Interrail. Get something to eat. Gonna call it a day and head to the airport pretty soon. We're about to board. It's been a fun trip to Omaha and kitchen